Welcome to Nimbus Tutorials. This video is about the definition of item code template. So first we move to item definition screen. On this screen we know that all defined items are here and we press the new button to go to new item definition mode. When we want to define a new item, we need to give the item code, and here if we press this C button, then a item code is generated based on a predefined template. Now we need to learn how to define that template. We go to item template definition screen. For this, either we go to item menu and then item code template, or we just click the quick menu for related operations and item code template. When we go to item code template screen, we see all the previously defined templates against the departments. We press the new button to define a new template. So far there is no template against the department cosmetics, so we select that department and give the template name. And let's choose the prefix for the template at COS and save this. If we want to see some details about this, we can press the info icon and read these details. Now we go back to item definition and see how this is utilized. On this item definition screen, we press the department cosmetic and then press C. The prefix which we defined, COS, is there, and system has automatically generated 4-digit code because the total length of the code is 7. So every time we press C, the system generates a new code for a new item. Another point is we may have more than one item code templates against a department. If this is the case, then C gets a drop down and we can select any of the template and system creates the code according to that template. Thank you for your attention.